Hi, my name's Jo. Today we're going to be looking at two licks using the first position C major scale. We're going to be building up a little catalogue of licks over the next few videos, so it should help you on your way to be able to build up a nice little melodic solo using just this position in the key of C major. Cool, here we go. So we covered the first position C major scale in a previous video. If you want to go and see that in detail and be talked through the notes in that, I would suggest you go and watch that video first. So the first lick we're going to be looking at today is this one. And how we break this down, we're using a few different techniques. The first technique is a pull-off. So we're using the first finger on the first fret of the B string, or string number 2. And I'm going to play that with my pick. And then I'm going to use my fretting hand to pull the string downwards and pick it again. So we get a nice smooth double pick there. So that's our pull off. The next bit, we go into the D string, 2nd fret with the middle finger, and we're going to play the 2nd fret. Then we're going to slide up to fret number 3, back down to fret number 2, and do a pull off on there as well. So we get this sound. And again. So putting those two bits together, we've got this. And then we're going to end with a 3rd finger on the 3rd fret of the A string, or string number 5. So all in one go again, we've got this. And that goes really nicely with the key of C major. So you take some time getting to know that, breaking the shape down and getting each part of it sounding really smooth, really clear. Okay, for the second lick, we're going to be using the 2 middle strings, so the D string and the G string. And the first part, I'm going to be putting my first finger on the 2nd fret of the D string, and I'll play the D and the G together. I'll then take this middle finger and hammer it on. So that's banging my finger on to the 2nd fret of the G string, so it sounds like this. And then I'll be picking again as I remove that finger. The second part of that lick, we're going to be going to the A string and the D string. So my middle finger is on the 3rd fret of the A string, and the first finger will be on the 2nd fret of the D string. So I'll be playing those 2 strings together with my pick, and then I'll be taking this 3rd finger here and hammering that on to the 3rd fret of the D string. And then I'll be picking again as I take it off. Very similar to the previous part. Adding those 2 bits together. So if I put both of those 2 licks together, and then we've got 2 nice ideas for a C major scale solo. Okay, so there we have 2 different licks using the first position C major scale. Over the next couple of videos, we're going to be adding to that using the exact same scale and in the key of C major, so we can build up a nice little solo. Hope you've got something useful out of that and enjoy building your solo.